In this video, we will take a look at Python in under 120 seconds. Let's get started with it. Python is a high-level interpreted multipurpose programming language. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world because of its beginner-friendly syntax and ease of use. In fact, you are watching this video on a Python web application. It was created by Kudo van Rossum and released in year 1991. It is widely used in server-side applications using Django framework. Aside from Django, Flask is also used for small projects, and it is a language of choice for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. It can be also used as an scripting language as well as for automation. By the way, a course on ultimate automation using Python is coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. Many students choose Python to start learning to code because of its readability and simple syntax similar to English language. The most recent version of Python is Python 3. Also, there is another version which is Python 2, although it's not being updated anymore. So there might be a question in your mind that why should you learn Python? Tech giants like Google, Facebook, Instagram, Netflix are using Python for development and hiring for Python developers, and the salary of a Python developer ranges between $80,000 and goes up to $110,000. So isn't it exciting? Let's try comparing Python with other programming languages. C uses 5 lines of code to print hello world, C++ uses 6 lines of code to print hello world, and Java uses 7 lines of code to print just hello world. But Python only uses 1 line of code by just typing print, and we also don't need to compile the code. We can directly run the code with the help of the interpreter. So if you are interested in learning Python with practical and hands-on experience, I will be leaving some links in the description of this video so you can check it out. And that was it for the Python in under 120 seconds, and I tried to give you a brief overview of Python, and that was it for the video. I will see you in the next one.